Hey guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from hair to makeup to fashion, to pretty much all things beauty, lifestyle, and everyday living. So if you haven't already, don't forget to press that subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join notification gang. Alright, let's get on with the subject matter at hand. Alright guys, so as you can tell by the title of this video, today we are going to do a everyday foundation look. I'm not sure what I'm going to call this video, but that's what we're doing today. I've been trying to find like signature style for me, just like some stuff that I don't have to really think about. I just go in the bathroom, put the same makeup on every day. Or I don't wear makeup every day, but you know, when I'm going somewhere, just have a simple look that's always my go-to. It takes the fuss out of like getting ready to do things, you know. I don't know if you guys feel that same way, but today we are featuring two lipsticks from Merit Beauty. These two lipsticks came out, I believe, earlier this year in February of 2022. I have another dedicated video to all the products that I have thus far. I also received for free a few additional or kind of re-up of the Merit Beauty. I will leave an iCard above my original Merit Beauty video. And this time around, in addition to these nice lipstick, they also sent me a few more items of my choice. So I chose to go back with this minimalist foundation stick concealer. I got two different colors this time, which I think sepia is definitely my skin tone color, which you'll see shortly. I picked up another blush. It's called Mood, and it's very similar, I feel like, to the last one that I picked up, but this one's a lot darker. But first I just want to do the foundation. Alright guys, so this is going to be a mesh of two videos. I was looking back at the footage of what you just saw, and I didn't really like it. Actually, it was fine, but I noticed that I didn't blend in on one side. I'm like, girl. So I'm going to let my voiceover take over, and you guys will see the same exact look, but just without me now talking, but you'll hear the voiceover. Alright? Hit it, voiceover. Foundation, so you guys can see, I put on the Fenty Pro Filter concealer. Not required, but I put on the Fenty Pro Filter primer, and now I'm gonna go in with the Merit. I'm looking at my mirror here with the Merit foundation stick in sepia. I think this is my color. It doesn't really require a lot. I just like that it's a stick. It's easy for travel. And I will leave the pricing and everything on here. This is called the Perfecting Complexion Stick. And I have also the brush that you can purchase to go with it. But I just like, it's a very effortless beauty brand. Luxury, but very effortless. I love the sleekness of the packaging. And this foundation does, for me, I found that it stays on all day. I am a dry combination. Typically winter I'm dry, summer I may be a little oily, but still have dry patches here and there. And you can't even really tell that I have freaking foundation on, which is amazing. It's not cakey like, you know, liquid foundation. It's literally barely there, you know. But let's see, so I have like some discoloration right in here. It's gonna cover that up. I'll do a little bit more right here in this space, and it literally just looks like I have flawless skin. I mean, from afar it may, like, my natural skin may look like that, but when you get up close you can see some of the imperfections. But this just makes it look really good up close, and it did cover up, not completely cover it up, but it looks more even toned. So I really like that. All right, so this is the foundation. Okay, and then I am going to do my brows and put on just a little bit of nude kind of eyeshadow and eyeliner, and I'll come back and we'll finish up with the blush and the lips. All right, I am back. I literally just put some Fenty powder foundation on my eyelids. just to make it look neutral. And I did a black eyeliner. The black eyeliner is e.l.f. And then I just did like a little highlighter pencil under my brows to make them look like I just got them done. And I used the Milani Easy Brow. My brows, one of my favorite brow pencils of all time. So now I'm gonna go in with Mood just ever so slightly on my cheeks, just to give me a little flush of color. Just a little, and you can probably use this as a lipstick too. Just saying, multi-purpose. And I'm gonna use that same brush. And again, these products are for the minimalist, everyday girl who really ain't got time to do like a real beat face. They just want to make it my face but better. So that's kind of what we're going for here today. Not caked up, just like something very natural, great for meetings when you go, you know, to meetings at the office, because people are going back to the office. Just a meeting where you're not too dolled up, but something that makes you look fresh and revitalized, you know. I think Merit Beauty is great for that. So that's just like the little flush of color I have on here. Now I don't know which lipstick I want to go with because they're very similar to me. This one is called Slip, and I'll show you guys this up close. It's kind of a, let's see, more of like a brownish, but they're very faint, very light color. You can barely see that. And I'll show you a swatch on my lips as well. And this one is called Baby, and it's also in that kind of mauve family, and it has their name on it right here too. I think that's a nice touch. I think we're gonna go with a Baby today. Baby isn't too terribly ashy, you know, and if you want to do it with a lip liner, that's cool, but I think it looks like a nice everyday. It doesn't look so you know, it looks light, but it's not too terribly light for my taste. And then I have this gloss in Marrakesh. I'm gonna take that on top so it kind of brings it down just a little. Makes it a little more orangey toned, I feel. And that's it, girls. Merit Beauty's got us looking fresh faced, got us ready for a quick meeting, quick Zoom call. People still want to do Zoom calls, so if you have a quick Zoom call, you can be ready in 5 minutes with the Merit Beauty products. I totally forgot mascara. They also have a very nice mascara. It's called Perfect Black. I'm gonna do that really quickly. It's very light mascara, no crunch. That is it. Fresh faced and ready to roll. Absolutely love. I'll leave a link down below. It is an affiliate link, which means I'll get a few little coins off of your purchase, but I will leave that link down below. And you can also purchase Merit Beauty in stores at Sephora and on their Merit Beauty website. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick, fresh faced, I'm ready to go in 5 minutes. All right, I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.